Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nika Haryanti, and hello everyone. We are from Group JP Morgan 6C, Managerial Accounting Study Program from State Polytechnic of Batam. Let me introduce our team. First, Aura Nur Hasanah for 1119010X2, Fatia Mengsari for 1119010X3, Lesti Nur Karima for 11910X4, and Natalia Christine Purba for 11910X.
My name is Aura. I will explain chapter 1, Graph, Chart, and Table. Graph. What is graph? In math, a graph can be defined as a pictorial representation or a diagram that represents data or value in an organized manner. How to begin a description? We can use, let me show you this bar graph. Let's turn to this diagram. I would like you to look at this map. If you look at this graph, you will notice. Let's have a look at this pie chart. If you look at this line chart, you will understand. To illustrate my point, let's look at some charts. This line graph. A line graph is a type of chart or graph that is used to show information that change over time, that has a horizontal axis called the x-axis and a vertical axis called the y-axis. To describe line graph: rise, increase, sharp, rapidly, significantly, quickly, slowly, steadily. Part of a line graph is title, labels, scales, point, and lines. This is example of line graph with the title Cumulative Number of Report COVID-19 Cases in Southeast Asia. What is chart? Chart is visual summary of a process, development, or important relationship. What is bar chart? A graph with rectangular bars that usually compares different categories. Use of tense. We can use simple present, simple past, and present perfect. Types of bar chart. We can use horizontal bar and vertical bar. This is example of bar chart with title COVID-19 data in Southeast Asia on February 1st, 2022. What is pie chart? Pie chart is a type of graph that displays data in a circular graph that each slice of the pie is relative to the size of that category in the group as a whole. How to describe pie chart? We can use to compare to, as opposed to, versus, and more than. This is example of pie chart with the title Top Singapore COVID-19 Delta variant ranks the second most in ASEAN. Table. What is table? A table is a means of displaying data or information in row and column. Tables are used in first, publishing, example table of content, second, mathematics, example multiplication table, third, natural science, example periodic table, for information technology, example software application. Example table is COVID-19 recovery data in Southeast Asia on 2020.
Okay, I will explain about chapter 2, multiple chart, process, and map. First, what is multiple chart? The multiple chart is a combination of two chart characteristics that are combined. Each characteristic represented by a bar. And the multiple chart example here is about the ASEAN COVID-19 vaccination rate. This multiple chart consists of two types, namely the first dose of vaccination and the second dose of vaccination. Overall, both the first and the second dose show upward trends. For the first dose, only Singapore, Cambodia, Malaysia, and Brunei have managed to reach around 80% of the total population, while the Philippines and Myanmar each have only about 20% of population. Then, for the second dose, only Singapore, Cambodia, and Malaysia reach the target of 80%. Next, process. What is process? Process is a series of events that occur to achieve a result or goal. Usually, the process consists of several steps. Example process in flowchart. In general, flowcharts are used to make it easier for someone to understand a process flow. The COVID-19 vaccination procedure is no exception. Based on flowchart process flow above, the COVID-19 vaccination procedure begins with first, registration, where the officer will call the recipient according to the serial number by showing their ID card for a verification. Then the recipient will be physically checked to see if it complies with the term and condition. After passing a physically check, the recipient will receive a memo regarding the recipient's name, nick, and batch number. After vaccine for 30 minutes, the recipient will wait in the observation room. And the last map. A map is a visual representation of an area and its representation on a flat surface. Map type. There are many types of map. First, static. Second, two-dimensional. Third, three-dimensional. And fourth, dynamic and even interactive. Example map is about the location of the Asian country.
Chapter 3 Application Translations Tools. What is Poedit? A developer application program that's useful for editing the language translations of an application program that created and developed by Vaclav Slavic. How to use? First, download and install Poedit. Second, find the translation files in your WordPress. Third, translate your WordPress theme or plugin using Poedit. 4. Save and apply translations made to WordPress. Strengths of Poedit application. First, large volume files are processed well. Second, easily manage all project and view project status. Third, integration with other translation API. Weakness of Poedit application. First, cannot saving extinct document. Second, spend a long time searching for strings. Third, cannot load all files from user. 4. Cannot help solve problems program if we not approve version
Therefore,
user.
about Indonesian common mistake in translation into English. Slang, vocabulary of an informal register, common in spoken conversation, but avoided in formal writing. Example, no biggie. Example of use, if you can meet me Saturday is no biggie. Sarcasm, caustic use of word, often in humorous way, to mock someone or something. Example, well, what a surprise. Idiom and expression. A group of words established by usage as having a meaning not deducible from just the individual words. Example, beating around the bush. Compound word. Made up of two or more smaller words that are combined to make a new word with its own meaning. Example, carry over. Word order. Arrangement of words in phrase, clause, or sentence. Example, I eat strawberry. Numerical text or number. Divided into two, cardinal and ordinal number. Example of use, my birthday is on the 9th of July. Punctuation of symbols such as full stop or commas or question mark into divide written into sentence or clauses. Example, commas and colons. Structural, arranged in specific way or something that is strong enough for construction use. Example of use, I ordered pizza, it'll come in 5 minutes. Language intent, an expression that is used to state plans or something intended to do in the future. Example of use, we would rather play basketball. Grammatical, word that can change according to the context or situation in the use of language. Example of use, I love swim or I love swimming. Style or tone, we speak with the correct intonation in English. Example of use, pronunciation in listen. Gender-specific words that refer to a person's gender, whether male or female, but in English, the noun becomes neutral. Example of use, my brother can speak Japanese, he lived in Japan in 3 years.
I would like to presentation or discuss about chapter 5, summary of proofreading. Proofreading is important to check grammar and spelling, and highly recommended to make sure that the author or writer idea met what they want to communicate with audience. So, the article or works are written clearly for the intended target audience. We need to do it. First, proofreading ensure that we have not omitted any important information from our paper. 2. It checks for error in spelling, punctuation, and grammar. 3. It aids in ensuring that we present our argument to the readers clear and concise manner. 4. Proofreading demonstrates to our professors or teachers that we take pride in our writing and are committed to producing a high quality paper. 5. It will assist us in obtaining a higher grade on our paper. There are 7 steps in proofreading. 1. Use a checklist. 2. Fast check. 3. Spell check. 4. Read aloud. 5. Focus on one line at a time. 6. Attend to format. And 7. Proof again.
Chapter 6. Scientific report and business report. Scientific report. Scientific report is a document that describes the process, progress, and result of technical or scientific research or the state of a technical or scientific research problem. It could include the research recommendation and conclusion. Structure of scientific report. First, title. 2. Introduction or background information that aim. 4. Hypothesis. 5. Risk assessment. 6. Method. 7. Result. 8. Discussion. And 9. Conclusion. Business report. Business report is an official document containing factual information, statistical data, research finding, or any other that knowledge pertain to the subject of the task. What is important of business report? First, mode of communication. Second, decision making. Third, crisis management. 4. Effective management. How to write a business report? First, create a plan of action. Second, check for an in-house format. Third, add a title. Fourth, write a table of contents. Fifth, add a summary or abstract. Sixth, write an introduction. Seventh, state your methodology. 8. Present your findings. 9. Give a conclusion or recommendation. 10. Add bibliography and reference. 11. Proofread. Similarities between scientific report and business report. First, at decision-making or perhaps could solve a problem. Second, main parts in a file such as an introduction, text content, and conclusion. Third, have facts that happen. Difference between scientific and business report. First, scientific reports are typically concerned with education and research. While running a business, the business report serves as a form of accountability for business implementation. Second, article, papers, thesis, work papers, thesis, and dissertation were the most example of scientific report. Business report are listed as follow: information report, analytical report, format report, informal report, and periodic report.
Chapter 7. Brochure and Poster. Brochure and poster is a media for deliver information about product, service, program, event that made with attractive design addressed to many people, so easy to understand and the information conveyed well. Characteristic of brochure and poster. First, contain short, concise, and clear information. Second, have an attractive design, picture, or illustration. Third, only once published. 4. Published through print or digital media. Similarities between brochure and poster. First, aim of attracting the attention of readers to buy, follow, do, prevent, or avoid the information provided. Second, contain information on an item or service means being promoted to buy or use. Third, publish in paper or digital form. 4. Contain attractive image and short, concise, and clear writing. Difference between brochure and poster. First, poster prioritize attractive design and use concise and to the point sentence. Brochure prioritize information that is explained in detail and in depth about a product, organization, or company. Second, poster have a larger size than brochure. Third, brochure are print using two sides consisting of several pages and not bound, while poster are only print on one side, not fold, and only consist of one page.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention and thank you, ma'am, for your time to our midterm. And see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.